Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. There have been so many of you who have been requesting more skate videos, and I decided that I'm going to do a roller skating for beginners, the very basics for you guys. So this will help you guys with your roller skating journey, and today I'm simply showing you guys how to lace up your skates and stand up. That way you guys are starting from a foundation and you are working from the ground up, literally. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the type of socks that I like to wear when I'm roller skating. Having long socks are an absolute must. I find that the tall socks protect my Achilles and just the back of my legs when I'm wearing my skates. Also, having tall socks do help in the event that you fall. You have long socks that are protecting the front of your legs as well. So having tall socks are an absolute must. Definitely need those. Now that we have our socks on, it is time to put the skates on. You guys know I absolutely love Moxi roller skates. I'm still rolling in my Moxi jungle skates, so I'm going to show you guys how I put them on. This also will help you guys to see how sturdy and good quality the Moxi roller skate is. Putting them on, and then I always like to pull my tongue all the way up to the top. You guys can tell this is a really good sturdy tongue on this skate. Now I'm just going to pull the laces as tight as possible, and then I like to loop mine all the way up. Now it depends on what I'm doing and what style of skate that I'm doing, whether or not I put the laces all the way to the top, because I like to have some type of looseness if I'm dancing or anything like that. So they are laced to the top. I give it another tug, and then I will either sometimes lace in the back and tie it in the back. I'll show you guys options, two different options. So I take the rest of the lace and tie it in the back that way. And then, like I said, I'm going to show you guys when I put this skate on the other way that I like to tie the final lace in the skate. Alright, so here's the other way. Now you saw on this other skate on the right side I laced behind. I'm going to show you guys sometimes if I just want to quickly lace up, I just do the good old-fashioned tie, and there you go. Okay, now we're all laced up, we got our skates on. You've never skated before or you're getting back into it, I'm going to show you the easiest way to just simply stand up. If you're at a roller skating rink, you can clearly skip rolling over, but once you roll over, get on your toe stop, press in, keep those knees bent. Like I said, you guys keep your knees bent at all times, and stand up. Now we are standing, we are on our skates, and that's it. So as you can see, like I showed you guys, having tall socks helps in the event you fall. This is going to be somewhat protected, and it's also protecting back here where you're skating. So if I had on ankle socks or something like that, I wouldn't have this extra protection here. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope this helps you just to simply learn how to lace up your skates and get to standing. I'll be back with another one of these videos, so again, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on those post notifications. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you need to see from me. If you're a beginner roller skater, if you're getting back into roller skating, just let me know and leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time.